Hello students, I am your educator Ritu. This is the lesson 2 of Topic You Can't Miss series. In this lesson, we will learn about body symmetry. First of all, what is body symmetry? Body symmetry is the similarity of parts in different regions and different directions of the body. And on the basis of symmetry, we can classify animals into following categories. First category is asymmetrical animals. Second one is radial symmetrical animals. And the third one is bilateral symmetrical animals. And the symmetry will be respectively, that is asymmetry, radial symmetry or bilateral symmetry. So we will discuss all this symmetry one by one. So first one is asymmetry. So asymmetry is that kind of body symmetry in which animals cannot be divided into two equivalent halves through any plane. So those animals are named as asymmetrical and the symmetry known as asymmetry. And this is so because the arrangement of body parts are without central axis or points. So, for division of the body into different regions, there should be central axis or central point. And through this central point or central axis, many planes are drawn so that body can be divided. The plane can be like this. The plane can be like this, like this, like this. These are the planes of symmetry through which body can be divided into different parts. And those different parts can be equivalent to each other or not. That means they can be mirror image of each other or not. But in case of asymmetrical animals, there is no central axis. So, there is no plane of symmetry. That's why they can't be divided into two equivalent halves through any plane of symmetry. Examples are sponges. That means phylum Porifera, in which sponges are the main examples in which asymmetry is common. We can say that sponges are asymmetrical in nature. Next one, radial symmetry. Definition is that when any plane passing through the central axis, any plane, the body divides the organism into two identical halves. I repeat, two identical halves. So that symmetry is known as radial symmetry. And the animals will be known as radial symmetrical animals. As you can see in this diagram also, these are the symmetry that pass from the center of axis. And it can be any plane, either this one, this one, this one, this one, this one. And we can divide the organism into two identical halves. Two identical halves. That means mirror image of each other. Examples are coelentrates, ctenophores, and echinoderms. Next one, bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. The definition will be like this. The animals like annelids and arthropods, where the body can be divided into identical halves, but only through one plane, where the body can divided into identical left and right halves through only one plane, that is known as bilateral symmetry. And the animals like annelids, arthropods, known as bilateral symmetrical animals. This is all about body symmetry. For more videos, stay tuned with my channel. Thank you so much.